Hey, it's Off here with Doug and Stacy, and today we're going to be doing a breakfast hack. We're going to show you guys a more efficient way, a super easy way that you guys can make the perfect breakfast sandwich. Sometimes people like to eat breakfast for dinner, so here we go. First thing you're going to need is a couple of canning rings, like mason jar canning rings. And then you're going to need your cast iron pan. Put that on there. We'll get it warmed up a little bit. We'll drop these rings in. We have the pan down, we have the rings in. I'm going to put my butter in. Some nice grass-fed butter. We use a wood cook stove. In case you're new to our channel, we live off-grid in the Midwest in a log cabin. You want to get your butter inside of the ring too, so it coats inside of the ring, so it doesn't, your eggs won't stick to it when you're done. We'll let that melt for a second, and then we'll get ready with our farm fresh eggs. Now we're going to crack our eggs right inside of our ring. Shells, I'll add calcium, but we won't add it on this one. While those eggs are cooking, we're going to grab some toast, some bread. This is some cheese that we made here on the homestead, some mozzarella cheese. You don't need much time with your bread. You just want to melt the cheese. Nice. Boom. Eggs are almost done. You know, cook them to how you like them, right? You like them kind of runny, like them not so runny. You could actually pop the tops too if you don't like it. Just like that. Eggs are almost done. I like to add a little crushed pepper while I'm doing it too. Give it some little extra flavor. Now you bring in your eggs over here. Perfect circle, didn't even come out. Put your eggs on your plate, just lift it up. Look at that, just ready to go. Right on your sandwich. Or you can just take it out if it stays on. Flip it upside down. Add a little homemade jam. So there's your mason jar breakfast sandwich egg hack. Thought you guys might like that. Perfect. And if you have English muffins, works really good there too. Just a little something to save you a little time if you're making eggs, and then you get the perfect size egg. Hope you enjoyed this egg hack, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.